As we know, our lecture is delivered to us about the non-fungible tokens. So we will talk about the non-fungible tokens in my homework, and I have also posted this video in my homework. The lecture is just delivered by the ɪṛᴏᴜ, our professor on STEAM at Crypto Academy. Good name is ᴏᴜᴜ. As you all know, Season 2 is ongoing and the lecture is delivered by our Professor ɪṛᴏᴜ. He just described us about the non-fungible tokens NFTs and give us all the details what is NFT, and with the examples how do NFT work, ERC 721 network, and the use of NFT, history of NFT, and also you know that the benefits of NFT, you can also earn a good profit by the collectible assets. So we will talk about my homework. I give the introduction about the fungible tokens that I have learned from his lesson in my own words, and I have given an example. So suppose that you have $20 USDT. I mean 20 USDT you have, and I also have 20 USDT. So these currencies are just same value for you and for me, but this is called the fungible tokens. But in non-fungible tokens, the value is different. The value is comparable. I have a collectible that will be profitable for me and costly to you. I bought a collectible in less price and sell it after a few months or years when it become more collectible, rare, in heavy profit. So this is just an example, simple example I have given in this my homework, and I also chose Rarible as my homework. So let's elaborate the Rarible through our video tutorial. First you need to go to the rarible.com website, and the important thing, you just need to have an extension of MetaMask or your favorite listed wallet. There you can check the listed wallet here, create, just click on, I'm just back the home page and click on the connect wallet. Here you can see the all listed wallets over there. You can connect your wallet easily. I am connected the MetaMask wallet, so I click on it. I already have configured it. You can see here my profile just appear. And the first thing, how we can buy a collectible in Rarible. So I am just going to buy this collectible. I am clicking on it. If we need to buy this asset, here you can see it's an animated video. You can see I like it and I want to buy it. I can just click on buy now. Collectible from that, and I need to buy one. I just need to click on proceed payment, and purchase is ongoing. Here you can see a notification pop-up is appear here in the MetaMask. I'm click on it and it confirm me about the transaction is ongoing. It cost me about $85 gas fee, and the total of is $141. I have insufficient balance, so you just need to click on approve, accept this if you have enough balance to purchase this collectible asset. I am rejecting it because I have no enough balance. So our next step is how you can create your own collectible asset. Just click on create. There you have two options. A single one is to post your a single collectible in a single PNG form or a single video, or multiple videos or multiple files of the same category. I'm click on single. Okay, that's warning for my previous saved work, but I cancel it. So I just need to upload a file in a PNG file. Your file must be less than or equal to 30 MB. I choose my file here and I click on Rarible. I go down and give it the name of like gaming logo. I give it a description like here you can give the size of the item you have upload. Here you can give the 128 by 130 any size, and give the medium, large, small. Okay, now you click on create item. Just wait for a few seconds. It will open up a pop-up like this, and you need to pay a gas fee there. You can also here you can see $15.14 by Ethereum, and you just need to accept it, and upload your files is ongoing. Then you just need to sign this and your asset will be posted in Rarible website. I'm just rejecting it because I have no enough balance to complete it. You can also edit your profile by going to edit profile button here. Oh, this is required to sign the account request, so I just click on sign, and here you can see that you can upload your profile picture, your Twitter username, your bio, your email and verification. You can also done it by this button. Here you can see my items. Here the all collectibles that I have will be listed here, and on sale, created that I have created, and what I have liked here. Here I will see my followings, and here I can see my listed followers. Here you can also find a edit profile button again, and report page if you going to report any seller. Let's check this seller. You can also always find a favorite button there to add the asset in your favorite list. Okay, that's collectible is now added to my favorite list. New items available, click on refresh. So this is just all about the Rarible, how you can buy, sell or create your own collectible asset. Thank you for watching. Read all the more details in the post homework. Thank you.